So had a little accident with this a while back. I kept it to make, kind of a scrapping video and an homage to it. So what happened is I was doing some work up high. It fell. It broke. I taped it up a little bit. It kept on working. I guess I could have kept it, but I decided to sell the charger and the batteries I had with it and got myself one of these guys here for the price of the battery and the charger I sold. So that ended up being good. It was an upgrade, a lot lighter and a lot more handy for the stuff I was doing. So this was quite bulky and heavy. So decided why not make a video, see what's in one of these guys. I checked on eBay and some of these parts are sellable, I guess. Not specifically for this model, but I've seen other newer ones on there, the internals selling. I might take a look at it again to see if it's worth it, but I'm probably not. Who would want to fix an old 12-volt drill? So I'm going to use my new drill to take apart the old drill. Let's see how this goes. See what we find in one of these. Let's see, a couple of screws there. There's one up here. I think that did it. There you go. So a nice little motor in there. Actually, quite heavy. Obviously, we got some wiring. So copper bearing motor. Some aluminum for sure over here. Some cables. Might be a little bit of value. Scrap wise, I mean. And like I said, I'd sell this stuff on eBay. I'll definitely check it out, and if it's worth it, I'll post it in the description. But I really doubt it. So we got this guy over here, which I'm 99.9% certain is